Hi everyone, good afternoon. Well, it's 20 minutes past 1 p.m. here in our place. How's everyone doing? Well, today is Monday, guys. How's your Monday? And how was your weekend? So I'm here at home and I'm just having a snack. Kasi po, I just finished exercising. Kain po tayo. Yogurt po ito kasi snack lang po, kaya ito po ang kinakain ko ngayon. So, kumusta po ang weekend natin? I hope lahat po kayo is nakapag-relax, nakapag-rest po kayo, or you're able to do the things that you love or spend time with your family. Ang kagandahan po sa business namin, I'm just really grateful talaga po sa business dahil it gave me and it is still giving me the flexibility of time to choose the time, to choose what day or time I can do my business. Very flexible po talaga ang business na to. And pasensya na po kayo, nakatuwaan ko yung effect nitong sa Facebook. So, parang hindi naman medyo boring yung ating live. Nakakatuwa lang po yung niya effect. So, yan po ang pinili ko. So, ngayon po, during the weekend, I chose not to do full-time business. I chose to spend time with my family or friends and chose to relax. Because I also have weekdays to do my business. So, yun po ang kagandahan. If you have a business that is flexible and that is running in automation 24/7. And I'm just grateful na even though I am busy or I'm just relaxing and I'm spending time with my family, our business is having great results. Tulad po during the weekend, kahit po busy po kaming nagkakasiyahan or we are doing things na ini-enjoy namin, yung business namin is continuously giving us great results. So, ang dami po, loads of people from different parts of the world are joining us in our team. Imagine, yung mga tao po na naghahangad, they are yearning to have a second income stream or change of life, na magkakaroon sila ng flexibility ng oras it's really life-changing. Kasi sa totoo lang, ang buhay po natin, it's not always easy and hindi naman tayo palaging mag-work all the time. Kinakailangan din po nating mag-rest, mag-relax, and to enjoy our life, to enjoy our day. So, this business gives us that. Talaga pong kahit po yung mga nagwo-work, they are able to do this business because of its flexibility. And most of us who join this business first time, we don't really have any knowledge about running our own business. We don't have technical skills or expertise to run our business. But since our business is giving us the training for us to follow, and we are able to run our business successfully. And besides, we are not doing this business alone. We have this one-on-one mentoring and coaching, and we also have this community, global supportive community that will help us in our journey. So, hindi po talaga kayo mag-iisa. Ito po ang kagandahan sa business na to. Kaya po, dito, we are helping each other to succeed. We are sharing our knowledge to others para po mag-gain tayo ng information para how to run our business successfully. And the business is global. So, as what I've always told you guys, I'm always telling you, you can do this business everywhere you are. You can bring this anywhere you go. And we just use our phone and internet connection. So, ang dami pong mga tao during the weekend, sunod-sunod po, even the weekend, we are submitting business contracts, and people are joining us in Canada, USA, Australia, name it guys, every day. Hindi na lang po ako makaka-catch up. Every day, ayoko naman na palaging mag-post about it. But every day, we are having great results. Yun po ang kagandahan ng business na to. So, yun, that's why I'm always sharing this opportunity to all of you guys who are looking to earn extra income while you are working. You'll never know guys, baka ito po yung opportunity na makakatulong sa inyo sa magkaroon ng second income stream, na to have more time with your family or do the things that you love, or even retire early and save for retirement. Or kung gusto niyo po mag-travel around the world, pwede rin po kasi you can bring it anywhere. Kaya po, if you are interested guys, maybe just check this out. And ang gagawin nyo po is to register your name and email address on my website, www.roselampilocchio.com, and you are going to receive an email for the link to watch our complimentary webinar para po to learn more about our business. Free to watch po ito. So, makikita nyo po, malalaman nyo kung anong ino-offer ng aming business. And syempre po, since this is business and it's legitimate and it's global, syempre po, kailangan po natin ng investment, ng capital. Sa lahat po ng business meron po. So, if you are interested, just message me, reach out to me, and I will help you get started, guys. So, yun lang po. Sana po, if you are working, just enjoy every moment of it. And if you are off, same pa rin po. Just enjoy each moment, guys. Kasi po, ito lang po ang meron tayo, ang ating present moment. Kaya nga present siya. It's a gift na tayo ay buhay po sa araw na ito. Ginising tayo ni Lord. Kaya be grateful na lang po kung anong meron tayo. So, yun lang po. And thank you very much for all those who are watching me right now and for all those who are going to watch the replay. Ingat po kayong lahat and God bless you all. Bye!